Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and log in to the Amazon Prime Video application on your phone. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Play Store app. After the home page of the Play Store app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in PRIME space VIDEO and then hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, the Amazon Prime Video application will appear on your screen. Now on the right hand side of the application you'll see a install button. Go ahead and click on it. Once the Amazon Prime Video application is completely downloaded and installed on your device, open it up. After the home page of the Amazon Prime Video application opens up on your screen, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your email address or phone number here, your Amazon password here, and then click on this sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, you'll be automatically signed in to your Amazon Prime Video account. I hope this video helped you to download, install and sign in to the Amazon Prime Video application on your phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.